6/5/2011. Some thoughts. Pain and hurt. You know, pain is for humans, I believe, pain for animals and humans is a part of a signal system instructing us to, in a sense, certain times to move away. I come up behind you, or somebody comes up behind you and sticks you in with a pin. You move away normally from that injuring type of device. You move due to the pain that stimulates you to move. Now, trees don't move in the sense that they don't move from threats and dangers and things that are injuring them. Not to say that they don't constantly move in place. They sway, which comes into play with thoughts about wiring a hose, turnbuckles, and things of that nature, along with cambium zone cells and pressure applied and things. Nonetheless, hurt is you hurt your pocketbook, your money, okay, our money. We have money in the bag. Somebody hurts us, you got to pay. That's hurt, okay. Injuries or other things. Our bodies, trees, they have what we call universal biological currency, glucose. I need it, you need it, the trees need it. If it wasn't for that, we wouldn't be here. See, we're very close and similar, that we burn glucose, but specifically, we're very different. We're humans, animals, and other animals mostly, there's probably some that don't, require someone or something else to provide us with our food. We don't manufacture our own food. While on the other hand, you don't walk into a store and buy a bag of plant food or tree food. That's ridiculously silly, a sign of ignorance, a lack of knowledge. To be lucid, trees and most other plants that I know about manufacture their own food. They are autotrophs. Most animals, and I don't know of any that I can think of, but there's probably one in nature, are heterotrophs. They have to have someone else or something else to manufacture their food for them. Okay. Pain, we're going to move away. And we heal also. Note that we heal. Now, you can hurt a tree by taking its money away from it. It's stored energy in the form of starch, okay? Injuries and wounds take energy away from the tree. Not having the right amount of elements, not the right amount of sunlight for that tree, takes energy away from that tree, okay? Things that injure the tree and reduce its ability to photosynthesize properly at the proper times hurts the tree. Now, trees, though, on the other hand, they do not heal. They're not a healing system. They're not a regenerating system. They are a generating system. They manufacture their own food, and they are a generating system. They generate. They do not regenerate. Each year a new tree grows around the old tree, and they compartmentalize injuries. They do not heal injuries. That's why we can go back 200, 300 years and date an injury that occurred to a tree, because it was compartmentalized and it was not a healing process where cells were replaced with new cells in the same spatial positions. Trees do something. This is part one. Let me cut it short. Part two. Trees and pain and hurt. A little bit about it, because I think it's important. It's a very good question. Someone once asked if they would ever maybe understand if a tree feels, if a tree has pain or hurts. I just want to share some thoughts about this.